you ever felt overwhelmed as a student, balancing studies, part-time jobs, and still barely scraping by financially? What if I told you that you can start earning money today, all from the comfort of your home, without sacrificing your education? Imagine earning a steady stream of income while also building valuable skills that will make you more competitive in the job market when you graduate. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's entirely possible? In today's video, we're diving into 5 side hustles that every student can start with minimal investment but huge potential. These side hustles not only allow you to work from home, but they also open the door to passive income and real-world experience. Whether you want flexibility, creativity, or the chance to build your own business, these hustles can help you unlock opportunities you never thought possible. Let's dive in. So, let's break it down. What are the most accessible and profitable side hustles you can start as a student in 2025? Here are 5 incredible ideas you can get started with right now. Side hustle 1, e-commerce business. First up, we have e-commerce. You've probably heard of platforms like Shopify or Etsy, but what does it really take to start your own online store with minimal upfront costs? Many students assume that they need a massive budget to launch an e-commerce business. They believe they need tons of inventory, a warehouse, and an expert-level marketing strategy to succeed. The truth is, you don't need to invest thousands of dollars to get started. With print-on-demand, pod services, you can sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, mobile covers, or posters without ever touching the inventory. The best part? You only pay for the products once someone buys them. By focusing on a niche market, for example, custom designs for specific hobbies or communities, you can stand out and grow a loyal customer base. How to learn? Start by watching free tutorials on YouTube that walk you through setting up your store and designing products. Platforms like Teespring and Printful are great places to start. These services take care of production, shipping, and customer service, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business. You can even practice by creating your own designs or collaborating with others to create unique, eye-catching products. Over time, as you grow your store, you can begin earning passive income while you sleep. Side hustle 2, copywriting. Next up, copywriting is a skill that's always in demand and can become a highly profitable venture for students. Many students believe that copywriting is only for experienced writers or marketers. But that's a misconception. In reality, copywriting is about writing persuasive and engaging content that moves readers to take action, and you don't need years of experience to start. Every business, whether big or small, needs compelling copy. Whether it's for websites, product descriptions, emails, or social media posts, the ability to write engaging content can boost sales and conversions. If you're good at creating clear, persuasive, and interesting copy, businesses will pay for your services. How to learn? Start by reading books like the Adweek Copywriting Handbook to sharpen your skills. Begin practicing by writing blog posts, product descriptions, guest posting, or even starting your own blog. Take online courses on Udemy or Skillshare to dive deeper into advanced techniques like SEO copywriting, which will allow you to charge higher rates. Freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are excellent places to start offering your services to businesses. With time and experience, copywriting can provide you with a steady stream of income and even evolve into a full-time career. Side hustle 3, video editing. Next up, copywriting is a skill that's always in demand and can become a highly profitable venture for students. For all the creatives out there, video editing is a fantastic way to turn your skills into cash. But it's not just about making TikToks or YouTube videos. Businesses need video content more than ever before. Many students think video editing is too much difficult, technical, or requires expensive software, but that's not true at all. You can start editing with free or affordable tools and still land paid gigs. Here are some platforms like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express. CapCut and Filmora 14 offer high-quality, free tools to start editing videos. Whether it's for YouTube creators, businesses needing promotional videos, or social media content, there's a huge demand for video editors. How to learn? Watch YouTube tutorials to get the basics down. Practice by editing your own vlogs, school projects, or even content from friends first freely. Once you're comfortable, use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer freelance services. As you gain more experience, you'll increase your rates and earn even more. The best part? You can create a portfolio of your work and share it on Fiverr and Upwork, which allows you to earn passive income over time by getting hired repeatedly for similar projects. Side Hustle 4. Print on Demand. Pod, we've touched on this earlier, but print on demand, pod, is worth emphasizing again because of its immense potential for students. A common misconception is that pod is only about selling t-shirts. But pod is so much more. Think about custom phone cases, tote bags, pillows, and even custom designed books. With pod, you don't pay any upfront costs. You create and upload your designs, and the supplier takes care of the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. The best part? You earn a profit every time someone buys a product with your design. How to learn? Explore popular platforms like Printful, Redbubble, eBay, or TeePublic to see what types of designs are trending. Use your creativity to create unique, personalized products and market them effectively. With websites like Skillshare and YouTube, you can learn design basics and marketing strategies to build a strong online store. As you build your pod business, you can eventually create a passive income stream where you earn money while you sleep. Side Hustle 5. Monetizing content. YouTube, TikTok, blogging last, but definitely not least. Let's talk about monetizing content. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, content creation is a fantastic way for students to start earning money, and it can turn into a long-term income source if done right. Many students are intimidated by the idea of creating content or wonder if it's even possible to make money from it. But with the right strategies, you can absolutely turn your passion into a paycheck. Monetizing content can be done through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and even selling your own products. Whether you're creating videos for YouTube, writing blog posts, or posting TikToks, the key is to create content that resonates with your target audience and consistently engage with them. How to learn? Start by choosing one platform to focus on. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, make sure you understand the basics of creating content that connects with your audience. Use free resources like YouTube Creator Academy or Google Analytics Academy to learn more about growing your audience. As you build a loyal following, you can monetize through ads, partnerships, and affiliate marketing. The beauty of content creation? It offers the potential for passive income as you can earn money from ads, sponsorships, and sales even when you're not actively creating content. So there you have it, 5 incredible and shocking side hustles that you can start today to begin earning money from home. The best part? You can scale these side hustles into real sources of income, all while working around your class schedule. Remember, it's all about taking that first step. Start small, stay consistent, and always keep learning along the way. The skills you build now will pay off big time in the future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And for more actionable tips on side hustles, career growth, and creative opportunities, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below, let me know which side hustle you're most excited to try, or if you've already dipped your toes into one of these. I'd love to hear your journey. Until next time, take action, stay motivated, and start building your future today.